Stephen Boltzmann law, Weyer's law, and the electromagnetic spectrum.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the solid angle. The solid angle is a measure of how big an object looks if you see it from one point. It is a three-dimensional measure. For example, it is the intersection of a sphere and a cone. The formula is this one over here, this is the solid angle, which is measured in steradians, and the formula is the area of the intersection, which is this black spot, over the radius of the cone. I'm also talking about radiation energy discovery. Around 100 years ago, the scientists discovered this type of energy, which consists, when you break down an atom, it releases energy it releases energy that has great force. First, scientists thought it would be used, for example, in energy plants, and it is used in energy plants, but there are also some ways of using that are not that good for humanity. For example, in World War II, this energy was used to form the A bomb.
Hi, I'm going to talk about the Stephen Boltzmann law. And well, I'm sure that when you've turned on your heater, like your electric heater, you can see that it turns like to a reddish orange color. And when you turn it in low, you won't see anything because it doesn't have visible radiation. What happens is that when you put like an object to a great radiation, it becomes visible. And well, this is what the Stephen Boltzmann law describes. So for example, here in this equation, which is the Stephen Boltzmann law equation, you can see that P, which is power, is divided into area, because what it means is that the power per area describes like the radiation that the object emits in an absolute temperature. And well, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the Stephen Boltzmann law.
I'm going to explain Weyer's law. Weyer's law states that objects emit different wavelengths according to their temperature. For example, a hot object emits short wavelengths radiation, and the color of the radiation is blue. And hot objects radiates more than cold objects. Well, cold objects and the wavelength is longer than the hot, and the color of the radiation is red. And that's it. Well, I'm going to talk about the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is a name given to a bunch of types of radiation. And what is radiation? Radiation is the energy that travels and spreads out as it goes. And it has different wavelengths and types of energy. And it is divided in 7 groups. For example, the radio is the lowest, that has the lowest frequency, the lowest energy, and is the one that we use for the radio and the TV. The microwave is the one that we use to cook the popcorns and all those things. The infrared is the energy that our skin emits. The visible is the one that our eyes can see. The ultraviolet, the sun is the biggest source of this energy. The X-rays is the one used to see our bones and teeth. And the gamma rays, the universe is the biggest source of this type of ray.